orkar inget mer. Vad är det där? Nej. Du fick mer än mig.
Coyote. Gå bajsa.
Salam alaikum.
Hello. How's it going?
Vilken sida vill du ha?
I'll take this side.
Okay, cool.
Much better.
Can you calm down a little bit? Yeah, cool. Hi everyone.
How's it going?
I'm doing good. How are you?
All good.
You're so weird. Hi everyone and welcome back to a new vlog. Today's Monday.
Welcome. Yes.
Yes, and today we're going to
Another
catch
adventure.
another waterfall. Yay!
Oh.
So we're going to Kaiate Falls.
Coyote Falls.
Coyote Falls.
No, Kaiate Falls.
Kaiate Falls.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice.
So we're gonna take the car and drive for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
And then it's a little bit of a hike. But then we're gonna...
Chill.
Yeah.
Enjoy the view.
We're taking you with us.
See you there.
Come.
Sure, of all the things you can bring to a waterfall, of course a freaking vacuum cleaner is the top one priority. I have no idea why. Gonna clean that waterfall, you know, very dusty, very freaking disgusting. Sure, I'll bring the freaking vacuum cleaner. And there she comes, ready to clean, ready to use that portable vacuum cleaner. Yes, she is. Look at that. She's so happy. She has no idea what I'm talking about, but she's so happy. She thinks I'm saying something nice. We're here!
Yay!
Yay!
Apparently you cannot swim in the water, but we're gonna do that anyway.
Because we're savages. Do we go there? Over there.
Sounds like the stream is going that way. We'll see.
You can see our home from here. All the way over there. Yuck! It's not the clearest water right here.
So we're here and we almost just lost our drone because we flew out like here and then we lost the GPS signal, so it was just flying around by itself. I was so scared. I started to sweat and Elias did too.
I got freaking nervous. That was so fucking close.
Yeah. But we're not gonna go in. At least I'm not gonna swim, are you?
I don't know. A lot of warning signs saying that you're not.
Yeah. It doesn't look very nice either. It's kind of Mercury.
It's kind of not fussy, but
Mercury.
Mercury. That's a planet.
No shit, Sherlock.
Does this look like you want to swim in it? No. But the waterfall is beautiful. So what we are gonna do now, take some pictures for Alexis of Sweden, which is my friend. It's her brand. She made it. So I'm just gonna take some picture for her and then we're pretty much just gonna go back. I don't know what we're gonna do today. We'll probably figure something out, but we're gonna take some pictures for now. Elias made to go for a swim. But yeah. So Alexis do have a bracelet and they have earrings, but I don't have the earrings. They have a necklace and then they also have foot link that you can have around your wrist. Is that even a word? A foot link? Doesn't sound right, but It's beautiful and it's made in sterling silver. Just beautiful piece of jewelry that's supposed to keep you safe. That's why always when we are hiking I always take them with me for extra safety, you know. I will link to her website down in the description. You can go check it out.
Very nice that I brought my hiking shoes with me as well. It's good for your knees, etc. It's a little dusty, don't you think? It's a little dusty. Maybe we should brought the vacuum cleaner. Worth it?
Yeah, it always is, but it's nothing. I don't know, it's nothing special about it, but it's beautiful. And if they get the water clean, I'm sure it's gonna be more nice. It's gonna be better.
Because we were planning on taking a swim in the waterfall, but apparently it's been contaminated by some, I don't know, bacteria or toxic things. So it would be nice to spend the whole day there.
Yeah.
But
the plan was that we were gonna spend like a couple of hours.
Even have my trunks on an entire day.
What should we do instead? Should we go someplace else? Omanawa Falls maybe?
No Omanawa Falls this time.
Never again.
I don't know, what should we do?
The Omanawa Falls is probably more nice now, since the water is probably a little bit warmer. Well, it's warmer in the air.
I'm not taking that hike again.
Same.
I value my life.
Definitely not worth it.
Especially since we're going to beep in 2 weeks.
Beep! Yeah, we are gonna do some travel. It's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
Look at your feet though.
Yeah, they're all dusty and disgusting now.
Probably I should have brought the vacuum cleaner.
I don't know. Maybe we'll head back home.
Yeah.
Get some lunch, do some more work.
Or we can make some halloumi pasta.
That's right, halloumi pasta. You get the halloumi pasta and I get the tacos from last night.
You don't want halloumi pasta?
I don't want halloumi pasta.
Okay.
Because she can't even cook rice. No, you're so good.
I'm gonna cook pasta. That's nice though.
Yeah.
However, do you want to go to the mount and go with the drone a little bit after lunch? You have been wanting to do that for like 4 weeks.
Yeah, maybe. The fucking seagulls, they're the problem. Yeah, we'll see what we eat. Let's get back in the car and we'll get back to you. I'm cool, okay.
So it's slightly change of plans.
Yes.
We're actually going into the lovely Bay Fair for some lunch. Maybe we should take takeaway though. And eat it home.
Maybe.
Yeah.
If it's cool inside, it would be nice.
Yeah.
Freaking 1,000 degrees.
Love it.
Gotta love Bay Fair.
Okay, so the best part with New Zealand is that you can actually hand pick your sushi. So Elias, what did you take?
But like fresh salmon, a smoked salmon with avocado, and actually chicken teriyaki with sweet chili sauce. And that's not very common in Sweden, I guess.
No.
But I've never seen sweet chili chicken.
And then they take like $1 per piece, which is really good. I just took the same 8 pieces. It's pretty cool. It's a good thing, yeah. Also, the pieces are so big. In Sweden, it's like half of it. So they are too big. So good.